Jai Hind dosto, I hope you are doing great and thank you to those who have subscribed to this channel. Today we are going to explore another interesting topic on military jets called afterburners. Yes, you heard right. Whenever a fighter jet takes off, if you notice, it creates a huge flammable thrust before reaching the required height in the sky. This high thrust is especially necessary for carrier-based aircraft. Without it, they cannot take off from the short runways with their full payload capacities. So let's delve into this in detail. This is Prajesh and you are watching AirPra. To find out why afterburners are so important in fighter jets, even though they cannot be used for long durations in flight due to some limitations. An afterburner, also known as a reheat system, is a component found in some jet engines, particularly those used in military aircraft and high-performance commercial jets like the earlier Concorde. It is a secondary combustion chamber located downstream of the engine's primary combustion chamber. When activated, it injects additional fuel into the exhaust stream, which mixes with the remaining oxygen, ignites and undergoes a secondary combustion process. This produces a significant increase in thrust, enhancing the engine's power output to achieve maximum speed very quickly. Let me tell you once again, the afterburner works by burning extra fuel in the exhaust gases that came out of the main engine, creating a powerful jet of flames. This makes the aircraft go faster or climb quicker. However, using the afterburner uses a lot of fuel, so it can only be used for short times. This way, the plane gets a big boost in power without needing a bigger engine. But it uses more fuel and cannot be used for a long duration in flight. Afterburners are carefully designed to balance extra thrust with increased fuel consumption. Engineers and military researchers often explain the afterburning process like this. Jet engines operate wet when afterburning is used and dry when it is not. An engine delivering maximum thrust in wet mode is at maximum power, whereas an engine delivering maximum thrust in dry mode is at military power. Pilots must manage afterburner usage in a calculated manner, typically reserving it for situations requiring maximum power, such as takeoff, combat maneuvers to dodge incoming missiles, chasing aircraft to reach their level, or during supersonic flight speed test. Overall, afterburners play a critical role in enhancing the performance capabilities of jet engines, providing the extra thrust needed for exceptional speed and maneuverability in demanding situations. Creating an efficient afterburner requires careful attention to many important details. Engineers need to make sure that fuel blends well and ignites properly, and they must ensure that the flame stays stable for even combustion. Within the afterburner's internal framework, components such as flame holders or stabilizers are integrated to induce turbulence, facilitating the through mixing of fuel and air while sustaining the flame. As a result, you might see shock diamonds in the exhaust. These are patterns formed by shock waves due to slight differences in pressure between the exhaust and the surrounding air. Besides the temperature going up at the end of the afterburner, the amount of stuff coming out of the nozzle also increases. This includes both the air going into the afterburner and the extra fuel being burned there. To deal with the increase in the amount of stuff coming out, the nozzle's exit area is made bigger. If this pressure is not managed properly, it could cause air to flow the wrong way, possibly causing the compressor to malfunction, known as a compressor stall. Thermal management is another critical aspect. As the high temperatures generated can strain engine materials, advanced materials and cooling techniques are used to protect the engine components from heat damage. Additionally, the design must account for aerodynamic efficiency to minimize drag and optimize the thrust to fuel consumption ratio. Overall, the dynamics of afterburner design are about balancing enhanced performance with efficiency and durability. In fact, in the next upcoming video, I'm going to explain to you about shock diamond patterns and what they are all about. But for that, please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Four main pros of afterburner propulsion. Afterburners provide a significant thrust boost, which is essential for rapid acceleration and achieving supersonic speeds. This is particularly useful for military fighter or bomber jets during takeoff with maximum payloads. The extra thrust of afterburners is crucial in emergency situations, such as avoiding threats, quickly climbing to a safer altitude, or dodging missiles, giving pilots an important tactical advantage. The additional thrust enables aircraft to take off from shorter runways, which is beneficial for military operations from aircraft carriers or remote airstrips with limited runway lengths. Afterburners improve an aircraft's climb rate, allowing it to reach optimal operational altitudes faster, which can be crucial for mission efficiency and safety in hostile environments. Four main cons of afterburner propulsion. A major issue with afterburners is that they consume fuel at a much higher rate than normal engine operation, which drastically reduces the aircraft's range and operational duration. The extreme temperatures generated by afterburner operation can impose significant thermal stress on engine components. The intense heat and visible flames produced by afterburners increase the aircraft's infrared signature, making it more detectable by infrared tracking systems. The additional complexity and stress on the engine from afterburner use result in higher maintenance costs and more frequent servicing requirements, impacting the overall cost of operation. Alright guys, this video ends here with an overall idea of the afterburner system in military jet engines. Until the next video, take care, stay updated, and please hit the like and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications of upcoming videos. And if you are a real military enthusiast and want to delve into details of military equipment, then please do not forget to check AirPra.com on a daily basis to make it a habit. Bye for now.